Welcome to the Ladybird Driving School COVID-19 safety measures video. These measures will be implemented by our panel of Ladybird instructors for each lesson to ensure the safety of our instructors and pupils, which is always our number one priority. This means that Ladybird Driving School will now be the first driving school in Ireland to implement such comprehensive in-car safety measures so that you can feel safe in resuming your lessons or preparing for your test in a COVID-19 world. As the car is a confined space, we have endeavoured to find the best air purifying device on the market for everyone's safety. Our multi-purpose mobile car air purifier features a true HEPA filter with a 3-stage filtration system, which can remove 99% of all airborne pollutants. All our cars will contain one, purifying the cockpit area with powerful Ionizer to produce 8 million negative ions, resulting in the purest of air. The built-in air quality indicator automatically displays the quality of the air using different colour codes, with green meaning the freshest air possible and free of any contaminants. The unit totally purifies the entire airspace in the car every 3 minutes. Therefore, each pupil can feel happy in a Ladybird Driving School car, knowing the air is pure on entry to the car and throughout the lesson. Next, we have wind deflectors fitted to all our cars. These allow us to have windows open around 2 to 3 inches during lessons, ensuring comfort and increased air purity. The wind deflectors also prevent the misting of car windows and windscreen. Our cars also contain COVID-19 boot sanitation kits. These kits comprise a full complement of products, including a non-contact thermometer, hand sanitizer, antibacterial gel spray and wipes. We also have a supply of masks available should they be required. Before each lesson, our cockpit, door handles and all areas that a pupil or instructor may touch will be cleaned and disinfected. On arriving for your lesson, you will be greeted by your instructor, who will ask you some questions about your health. Ideally, you should have washed your hands prior to beginning your lesson, and you will supply your own face mask. However, if you can't wear a face covering, we will supply a face shield. You will then be taken to the boot area to sanitize your hands. On entering the car, your temperature will be taken. In the event of an above normal temperature reading, the lesson will not take place. Assuming all is well, we will then complete a health and safety checklist. This form is to assist in the event that contact tracing is ever required and will be filed away and destroyed once all lessons are completed. The lesson will then be conducted as normal. So Ladybird Driving School looks forward to resuming or starting your driving lessons in a safe and pleasant environment.